Hello guys, welcome to Marisa's channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own baleada. Look at this is delicious. I encourage you to make your own baleada. It's better than takeout. So here, very easy to make and it's very delicious. But today's video, I am going to show you how I make my flour tortilla. Baleada, this is the original Hondureñan tortilla flour. In here, we have 1 cup of warm milk. Here we have 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. I know what you're thinking. It's vinegar. Trust me, you cannot smell the vinegar in your flour tortilla. Milk like, like cuajada. And that's help your tortilla really soft. So here I add the 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. So leave that for 5 minutes until it's like really, you can see like the white vinegar is to make the milk like spoiled rotten milk, but that's what it look like. That key is to make your flour tortillas really soft and stay more longer. Okay, so let's come back in 5 minutes. Okay, now let's put the ingredients together. So here's the milk and with the vinegar. In here I have the 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt, if you want to. It's your taste. And I have 1/4 of cup of vegetables shortening. So now let's put the milk. And the shortening. This flour tortilla, it's very easy and it's really good that you can eat everything, like for quesadilla, make your own, like whatever like food that you want to eat with. Okay, in here I have like this. It's sticky, but we are still gonna be working the flour. Okay, now you see my clean. It's better now. It's more clean. If you can see it, it's not breaking the dough anymore. The size you want it, it's better if you make your own than you buying in the store. Make sure you put oil in the bowl. You do it like topping that you eat it with, like the refried beans and the egg. It's very easy to make, and it's really, everything is, you can learn things if you interested with, And the first one that I made, this tortilla harina, it didn't come good. I didn't make it the right one, but I didn't give up. I just keep making until I make the right way, how I make the tortilla harina. So and I have oil on the other side until my kid almost coming home from school. Okay, now let's make the tortilla flour. So I put a little flour on here in the cutting board. So now we have to shape this. It doesn't stick. Make sure you have to put like a little flour on the rolling the baking rolling shape. I think that's what you call. So I can do it with my hand too. I'll show you how. There you go. Don't leave it there for so long. When you see it, you know, like you can I'll show you closer. Like when you see this one, like it's like bubble this thing, and it's time to flip it. All right, so that's what I'm talking about. Like when it starts bubbling, it's time to flip over. Okay, there you go. That exactly you want. Did you see that one? Like that one. You know, the egg, it's very easy. You just make like a scrambled egg, and then after, look at that, beautiful. God, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. And I really love learn different kind of food. So this one is like Hondureñan food, you know, Baleada. So, okay, so here's everything now. It's all cooked. So look at that, how soft it is, the tortilla, the flour tortilla. There you go. So try to make your own flour tortilla. Look at the refried beans. Okay, now this is the excited. My son doesn't like that much, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, let's put this sour cream first. So like that. You see that right there?